Ohio winter 2005. I'm in the blistering cold, hoping my car starts and my car hearts. Yeah. Link in the bio, I'm from Ohio. Link in the bio, I'm from Ohio. Where they cheer for Buckeyes and the color brown for fun. That's the town where I'm from. Mythological on every album, yeah. You got a problem, I'll never problem, so if you need to be coddled, I'll feed you through a bottle. It's impossible to follow through, but luckily I'm a solid dude. I roll with swishers like I'm in the NBA. You look away because you envy me. I get it, I don't wanna get in the way. Searching your memories to remember me. Mopping up at Honey Hut. Chocolate chip up in my cup. No more funny stuff, no more funny stuff. Plotting and scheming to get our money up. Zero zest and pleasantly blessed. Feeling like I made a mess all over her chest. Denim vest, nothing less. Stay blessed.
I'm specialized. What I do on the guitar has very little to do with what other people do on the guitar. Most of the other guitar solos that you hear performed on stage have been practiced over and over and over again. They go out there and they play the same one every night, and it's really just spotless. My theory is this: I have a basic mechanical knowledge of the operation of the instrument, and I got an imagination. And when the time comes up in the song to play a solo, it's me against the laws of nature. I don't know what I'm going to play. I don't know what I'm going to do. I know roughly how long I have to do it, and it's a game. You have a piece of time and you have to pick it up. Intuitive, the rhythm section is it's backing you up to do things that are literally impossible to imagine. I'm sitting here, but you can see them performed before your very eyes in a live performance situation. I don't like it. I think that the real fun of playing the guitar is doing it live, not freezing it, sitting out because it blasted someplace or putting on video.
So every night then is spontaneous for you, huh?
Absolutely.
It keeps it fun?
Well, think of it the other way. What if you had to play exactly the same notes every night? Isn't that like punching a clock?
Mm-hmm.
What means that for that?
Again, I'll make a statement that I made to one of your earlier statements. It's so refreshing to hear somebody talk like that.
Well, most people won't take that chance because I'll take the chance to go out there and make a mistake. I will take that chance for the privilege of doing something one time only live in front of an audience, because that's one of the reasons why the audience has come to see the concerts over and over again for the last 20 years, because they know that the concert, even though you may be playing songs off the record, is a unique situation. It's only going to happen at one time. There are going to be jokes happening on stage that relate to that particular audience, and there are going to be solos played during that show that will never happen again, have never happened before, will never happen again. So it's something special just for the people who bought the tickets to that show.
Just smoked 5 grams in the blunt just for fun, and I just sucked you. Can't even tell you what I'm gonna do. Can't even tell you what I'm gonna do. Just smoked 5 grams in the blunt just for fun, and I just sucked you. Can't even tell you what I'm gonna do. Can't even tell you what I'm gonna do. See me in the kitchen eating chicken curry, smoking opium, vision getting blurry. Don't step to me when I'm rocking fury. Don't step to me when you see that I'm looking furry. Straight bearded, acting weird and shit. Can't believe I'm the only one smoking weed in here. Situation that got my heart racing. I got as many thoughts as 9 mental patients. I ain't gracious, I'm causing chaos and anything that tests my patience. Can't believe you can't relate, kid. You can't relate, kid. Just smoke 5 grams in the blunt just for fun, and I just sucked you. Can't even tell you what I'm gonna